Very good afternoon, all of you. Today, I'm going to take this session on setting up a performance max campaign in Google Ads. Okay, so we'll be discussing the concepts in the PowerPoint deck and then we will also do the practicals. In today's session, we will discuss the basic setup of performance max campaign. Okay, so there will be two sessions. One is basic setup and one is advanced setup, right? So we will discuss the basic setup of performance max campaign today. So before I proceed further, in case students, if you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel so that you get future notification updates about the trainings. All right, okay, let's dive in. Now first we need to understand what exactly is performance max campaign. Okay, ideally this is a new update in Google Ads Performance Max campaign, okay, which is a very much powerful tool in case you have to maximize your reach and actually achieve your advertising goals, right? So they leverage Google automation to reach targeted customers across multiple platforms. Okay, so now you might be wondering what are those multiple platforms? It could be search, it could be display, it could be YouTube, it could be Gmail and Discover. Okay, so in Performance Max campaign, you can set up the campaign across multiple platforms, right? So today we are going to discuss the step-by-step guide on how can you actually set up the Performance Max campaign. Okay, so we will do the practicals side by side also. Now, the first thing is when you set up a campaign, right? You have to define your campaign goal. Okay, so what do you want to achieve from the campaign? It could be increase in sales or generate leads, or you want to drive website traffic or boost brand awareness, right? So, end of the day, your goal will actually determine your campaign settings and optimization strategies. Now, let's start with the practicals from slide number 3. Okay, we'll start with the practicals here. Okay, open ads.google.com and click on sign in. Okay, so let's do that. I click on sign in here, then select your Google Ads account. Okay, so we select Google Ads account here. Okay, now then you have to click on the campaigns tab. Okay, this is the campaigns tab here. Okay, now then you have to click on the plus icon. Okay, so I click here, then select your account here. Okay, so here you'll have multiple objectives, right? Sale, leads, website traffic, app promotion, create a campaign without a goal guidance, local store visits and promotion, reach awareness and consideration. So for now we will select the campaign objective as leads. Okay, right? So then click on continue. Now you have to select the campaign type here. Okay, select the campaign type. Select here as Performance Max. Okay, then define your campaign name. Okay, so I'll say here as leads fleet route last mile delivery software. Okay, leads fleet route last mile delivery software. Okay, then click on continue. Click on continue. Okay, right, then click on start new. Click on start new. Now let's define the bidding strategy. Let's define the bidding strategy. Okay, so here you have two options: conversion value, conversion. Select the option of conversion. Select the option of conversions. Okay, I select this over here. Alright, so let's do that. So in the right hand side, what you can see, weekly estimates. Based on a daily budgets and build settings, it is telling me that this campaign can give you weekly 21 conversions at the cost of 700 rupees, right? So now we will go down and do not select this for options. Let's say if you select this here, see what happens. This campaign will not run, right? Because you, when you're doing a basic setup, right? When you're setting up a performance max campaign, you should not select bid for new customers only. Okay, keep it unchecked. Okay, then click on next. Okay, now select your location. Okay, you can say here your enter location, United Arab Emirates. Click on target. Okay, see now the value has changed, 17 conversions. Okay, and the cost per conversion is 860, right? Okay, so first let's do the basic setup, then define your languages. Okay, see, yes, English. Okay, I hope this is pretty clear for now. Yes, languages is isolate here as English. Okay, so here what happened is like there are automatically created assets in Performance Max campaign. So let's say you click on more settings for now. Click on more settings. Okay, so here it is. You can schedule the ad for all day, then define the start date and end date. Okay, ad schedule all day, define start and end date. Okay, so keep end date, start date is 23rd December, end date 24th December 2023, right? Okay, I'll select this year, 24th December. Okay, so here it is, 24th December, right? Okay, so this is done. You click on more settings, you get all the options here. Okay, and then click on next here. Click on next. I click on next here. Okay, so now we have to create asset groups. Create asset group. Okay, so let's say we create asset group here as Fleetwood, as asset group name, asset group name. Okay, then now here is something interesting. Okay, scroll down, define the assets here. So now define the final URL. Define the final URL over here. Okay, so I open fleetwood.com over here. Okay, here it is, fleetwood.com. Okay, so this is entered here, right? Okay, Fleetwood. Now we have to enter the calling number. So click on plus call option. Click on plus calls option here. 26 point, here it is. I click on plus calls over here. So these are called as campaign level calls. Campaign level calls. Okay, so let's select the right number over here. We have 6 call assets here. Okay, so we'll select the Dubai number, then select the relevant call asset and click on apply. Select the relevant call asset and click on apply. Okay, clear? Any doubts, any questions, you can please ask me in the comments. I would be happy to help you all. Alright, so let's get started on that factor over here. Okay, now we have to add images. Okay, 28, add images. Click on plus images. Okay, so here it is. I click on plus images over here. So what happened is in Performance Max campaign, okay, Google Ads dashboard will actually fetch the image from the landing page, most of the images, and then you can also have free stock images also. Okay, either from the landing page or from the website. Correct. So we have to select multiple images over here, right? Okay, right, or you can add your own image also, that's not an issue at all. Okay, let's add this image. Okay, so let's say remove asset with errors, then we'll also add horizontal. Okay, here it is, remove asset with errors, then we'll also select a vertical image here. Okay, so see, vertical images this will not accept, right? So you always need to make sure that you're not using vertical images here. Okay, so we'll also select here. Okay, third, so remove set with errors. So we have added three assets here, right? So now what you can do is you can actually click on free stock images here. Okay, so scroll down here. So these are free stock images, right? So I'll select this image here. Okay, yes, then we'll select the relevant image here, right? Okay, so it will give you suggestions. Square image will select. Okay, one more, then we'll select one more, 7. Okay, so this is very nice horizontal image here. Okay, and this one is really good. Let's try to add one more. Let's try to add one more image as well. Okay, and then we'll add one more over here. So this is very interesting, right? So Google is giving you relevant suggestions, right, in Performance Max campaign. So this is like more of into AI. Okay, Google has integrated AI in performance marketing, right? So definitely this is very interesting, but yes, this is a bit expensive. Okay, you can add a square image here. Okay, so here it is. You can add one more, and plus you can also try adding one more horizontal image here. So friends, we have added so 20 images here. So if there are any images with errors, please remove that. Okay, so it will give you the error like remove a set with errors. Okay, so we try to add square images. Square images are accepted very quickly. Okay, then click on save. Okay, see, here it is. Now you can see we have added 18 images here, right? Okay, so this is interesting. Plus, or either way around, you can also create your own images in Canva. Okay, so you can also use customized images also. So here I'm just trying to give you an example how you can do the basic setup of the campaign over here. Correct, right? Okay, so now we will add the videos. So first we'll add the logo. Add 5 logos. Click on add logos. Okay, then see, I've already added one logo here. So what you can do is click on edit. Okay, so we have selected the logo here. Okay, select one ratio, and this is done. So logo is already added, so you can add logo. So it will fetch the logo from the website. You just once you enter the website URL, it will fetch the logo from the website here. All right, clear? Interesting? Okay, now let's add videos. Okay, so we'll add videos over here. All right, click on plus videos. Plus videos over here. Okay, I click here. So now what you could find here. Okay, so basically this has integrated your YouTube channel, right? Okay, Google Ads has integrated the entire YouTube channel in the Performance Max campaign here, correct? Right. So now Here it will also, if you don't have a video, it will also help you to create the video also. This is very interesting. Let's see if you have already created the video. So what you have to do is you can click on search YouTube. Click on search YouTube. Okay, just enter your YouTube URL. Also enter the channel name or YouTube URL. Okay, so I am doing that. I enter here. I click on search. On search. Now we will select the video of last mile delivery software here. So there are multiple videos created by Fleetroot over here, right? Okay, so let's do that. So here it is, please Fleetroot last mile delivery software. So let's take this video over here, select the video and click on save. Select the video and click on save. Okay, just do that over here, save, and we have selected the video. Okay, clear? Now we are going to add headlines. Add 15 headlines. Now this is a responsive campaign, right? Performance campaign, okay, or performance search max campaign in Google Ads is responsive campaign. So what do you mean by responsive campaign here? Basically what happens is like it will fetch the information from your landing page. Okay, so how this will work, and plus you can create your own headlines using ChatGPT also. Okay, so here it is. You just click on here. Now it will give you options here, right? Okay, so here it is. You scroll down here, it will give you multiple options. You might be wondering from where this information is coming from. This information is coming from your landing page, right? Okay, so you select your first headline as delivery management system. Okay, select second headline. Just click on down arrow key. Select the relevant headline. Direct delivery platform. Okay, again click on down arrow key. Click on unleash delivery. Again click on down arrow key. You say real-time tracking. Okay, so now we will first try to fetch the headline from the landing page, and then we will create our own headlines using ChatGPT also. Okay, then you can say here as business solutions Fleetroot. Okay, say here as last mile delivery logistics. Online appointments available. Okay, here it is. A complete technology suite. Okay, get a free trial. Okay, so now we have taken the headline from the landing page in reference to search responsive campaign here, right? Okay, so now let's try to use ChatGPT. How you can do this, let's try to understand here. Open chat.openai. Open chat.openai. com. Okay, here it is. Now let's use the AIPRM extension over here. Let us use the AIPRM extensions. Okay, use this over here. In the search box, enter Google Ads. In the search box of AIPRM, enter as Google Ads. Okay. Okay. So now here you will get a lot of information, right? Okay. So here it is Google Ad headlines and descriptions. Okay. So if here it is, scroll down. Okay. Here it is. Google Ads dis display responsive ads. Here it is. Google Ads prompt for skyrocket performance here. So we will select here Google Ads headlines and description. Just enter your topic or keyword here. Select Google Ads headlines and descriptions. Select Google Ads headlines and description. Okay. Enter your topic or keyword here. Okay, so in the square bracket, I add here as last mile delivery software. Okay, last mile delivery software. I do this over here, enter. Okay, so you get so many headlines here, right? So long headlines, short headlines. Okay, so you have that, and this is really amazing, guys. So please use this, and this is going to make your life easy with ChatGPT here, right? Okay. Any doubts, any questions, please ask me in the comments. I'm happy to help you all. Okay, so let's take some ideas from ChatGPT here. Now go back to your Performance Max campaign, click on plus headline here. 30 characters headlines here. Okay, these are 60, 30 characters. Optimize last mile delivery. Copy this. Control C. Okay, just do this. Efficient software solutions. One more. Boost logistics with tech. Boost logistics with tech over here. Okay. Streamline delivery routes. Streamline delivery routes. Okay, here it is. Precision in every mile. Precision in every mile over here. Smart last mile management. Okay, copy this over here. Okay, so we have added 15 headlines. Now we need to add 5 long headlines here, right? Okay, here it is. Revolutionize last mile logistics with our cutting edge software. Add this over here. 60 characters. Control C. Long headline. Okay, you can take one long headline from the landing page here as well. Okay, so let's, before we add long headline from the landing page, let's take some customized headlines from AIPRM. Efficient last mile solutions for seamless deliveries. Okay, maximize delivery software with the advanced route optimization. Maximize delivery efficiency. Here it is. Okay, smart last mile management for precision and reliability. All right. Okay, here it is. Then navigate route with ease, ensuring on-time deliveries every time. Okay, so we have added the headlights. Now we need to add description. Okay, now let's add description. We have multiple here descriptions as well. See, you could see, oh god, this is a lot. Okay, so let's try to add in 90 characters or 60 characters. Let's see what is the limit for description. It is 60 characters. One is 60 characters, one is 90 characters. So let's go back to 60 characters over here. Ultimate delivery software for efficient and seamless operations. Okay, here it is. So go back here. Let's reduce the character limit over here. Ultimate delivery software for efficient and seamless operations. So let's remove seamless for efficient operations. Okay, then you can add 90 characters. Okay, so now we can take one description from the landing page. Simple order handling, real-time tracking, maximize fleet efficiency. So add description, you can add headlines, descriptions in the campaign. Okay, so you can do that over here. Now we'll add one more description. Okay, so this is 90 characters. So go back to ChatGPT, AIPRM here. So then you have to do the customization. Okay, so here it is, it's 128 characters. So now you have to do the reduction here. Revolutionize last mile logistics with our cutting edge software solution, ensuring swift and reliable deliveries at every turn, right? So now let's do some customization. Revolutionize last mile logistics with our cutting edge software. Just delete this. It becomes 65 characters here. Okay, go back here. Efficient last mile solution tailored to your delivery needs. Okay, here it is. Add one more. Okay, scroll down. Add one more description here. Maximize delivery efficiency with our advanced route optimization. Take this is taken. So let's take this. Navigate route with ease, ensuring on-time deliveries every time. Control C. Here it is. Control V. Okay, so we have added the description also now. Now enter your business name, Fleet Route here. Now once all the descriptions are added, now you have to add your business name. Okay, let's do that. Alright, so any doubts, any questions, please ask me in the comments. Happy to help you all. Okay, uh, business name, Fleet Route, here it is. Now add site links. So you need to add at least 4 or minimum 2. Minimum 2 site links or maximum 4 site links to maximize performance. Okay, so here it is. Okay, so now click on plus site links. Click on plus site links here. Alright, so now let's add the assets. Now click on create. Click on create. Okay, so I do this over here. Okay, so now let's open the website fleetroute.com. So let's say we want to add the setting of pricing. Okay, so choose pricing plan that's right for your business. Copy this URL over here. Okay, copy the URL. Pricing plan. Description, enter here. Fleet Route subscription plans, you can add it over here. Fleet Route subscription plans, enter site text, enter site link text, enter description line 1, description line 1, then enter description line 2, line 2 over here. Okay, so here it is. Let's scroll down. Unlock business potential. Unlock business potential. Then click on create. Create. So one sighting is created. Okay, so here it is. So you can create one more site link here, take one more page from the website. You can take here as blogs. You want to show blogs here, copy this URL over here. Okay, here it is. Root logs, enter site link 2, enter site link 2, root logs. Then you can take description line 1 in 35 characters, control last mile delivery, control your last mile delivery. Okay, then scroll down here. Delivery management services, useful information, useful info on delivery business. You can add here as useful info on delivery businesses. 1 second, guys. Enter description line 1, enter description line 2, enter description line 1, enter description line 2 over here. Okay, then click on create. Okay, so yes, we have created. Now 2 site links are created. Then click on save. Here it is. Click on save. Okay, yes, I hope this is pretty easy to understand. Yes, now go back to Performance Max campaign here. Now you need to add call to action, add call to action, select the drop down here, see here it is. Then you say here as sign up, select the option of sign up over here, select the option of sign up. Okay, now here it is telling me more asset types. You can improve your ad performance and make your ad more interactive by adding more details about your business and website. So let's first try to explore the options here, right? So if in case if you have any promotions, you can add promotions about your campaign, prices, structure snippets if you have any. If you don't have anything, that's perfectly fine. So I suggest you can also add callouts. Okay, so please add callouts here. Okay, add callouts, add the option of call outs, add more business information. Any questions, any doubts till here, please ask me in the comments. I would be happy to help you all. Okay, now you might be wondering how can you get callouts here. So now again you have to use ChatGPT. Okay, so go up. Okay, use AIPRM extension to get ideas about callouts. Use AIPRM extension to get ideas about call outs. Okay, here it is. Now I see here as call out. You just enter here, see what you get. Google Ads call out extension, right? Okay, click on this, click on Google Ads call out extension. Click on Google Ads call out extension. Okay, now you have to enter your product or service you're selling. Enter the product or service you are selling, right? Now in square brackets enter here as last mile delivery software. Okay, here enter here as last mile delivery software. Okay, see here it is. Now you have a lot of callouts here, right? Add 5 callouts here. Effortless last mile. Copy this over here. Click on plus callouts. Okay. Then here it is. You scroll down over here. Click on plus new callout. Click on plus new call out here, plus new call out. Okay, so here it is, effortless last mile. Go back to ChatGPT over here, say precision delivery, here it is. Okay, copy this text here, go back to ChatGPT, say Swift root solutions, here. Go back to ChatGPT, say optimize logistics. Click on add callout text here. Say streamline dispatch. Okay, add callout text. Seamless last leg. Add callout text. Rapid drop-offs. Okay, here it is. Then ultimate route mastery. Ultimate route mastery. Okay, you see here as smart delivery hub. Add callout text. Smart delivery hub. Okay, then click on save. Once you add all the call outs, then click on save here. Okay, then click on apply. Then click on apply. Okay, so we have added the callouts over here as well. I hope you all have understood. Okay, this is pretty easy to understand. Yes. Any questions, any doubts, please ask in the comments. I would be happy to help you all. Okay, now see, you could see the ad preview. Here it is. Okay, so locations not required. Now signals. Now we need to add search themes here. Now we need to add search themes. So here it is. What does search theme means? Signal provides valuable information about the people you want to reach, right? Okay, so you need to give signal to Performance Max campaign, right? They will actually help you to guide who will see your ads on Google search, YouTube and more. So now search theme means what? What are some words or phrases people are actually using when searching for your products or services? Now here you have to use Google Keyword Planner. Now here you have to use Google Keyword Planner to identify the search themes, right? Okay, so here it is. Go back to tools and settings. Go back to tools and settings. Here it is. Then click on planning. Okay, then click on keyword planner. Open link in U tab. Click on keyword planner. Now click on discover new keywords. Click on discover new keywords. Here it is. Then select your account. Okay, so I hope you all have understood. So this session is getting extended, very detailed, so please be attentive. Okay, now enter your target keywords in the box. Enter your target keywords in the box. So here it is. So here, delivery software, last mile delivery software. Okay, best delivery software. Then change your country. Okay, change your country to United Arab Emirates. Okay, click here, just delete this, enter here as United Arab Emirates, select this country here, click on target, click on save, here it is, then click on get results, click on target, click on save, then click on get results. Okay, I click on get results over here. Now you'll have suggestions here. Okay, then click on down arrow key and download the keywords. Click on down arrow key and download the keywords over here. Okay, here it is. Download the file into CSV. Okay, so here it is. We have the file. Download the CSV file. Okay, so now we have the list of keywords. Take top 25 keywords here. Okay, so now select these keywords. Okay, it is 25. Control C. Okay, so I hope this is pretty easy to understand. Yes, yeah, Control C, here it is. Add search themes, Control V, and I've added the keywords over here. Okay, so you could see that we have added the keywords. Any doubts, any questions still here, guys? Now we are coming to the last section of this session, so that if you have any doubts, please ask me so that I can help you out. Okay, now you need to add audience signal. So what do you mean by audience signal? Let's understand that, and how you can use ChatGPT here. Reach the right customer faster across Google with an audience signal, right? So here it is. It will tell you, either you have your own data. Your own data could be your audience signal here, right? Okay. Here it is. If you click here, it will tell you search or browse. Okay. Let's say here you have two options, right? So either you can create a new segment, or okay, you can add customized audience, or you can add in-market audience. Okay, so for now we will select, click on browse. Okay, if you click on browse, what do you see? Website visitors, YouTube users, right? Then click on search for your data. Okay, so let's say you type here as delivery software. If you have any data, it will tell you about it. Okay, but now here in this case we will add a new segment. Click on plus new segment. Click on plus new segment. Okay, so see, this is very interesting. Now what are the available segments here? YouTube users, people who interacted with your YouTube channel or videos. Google Analytics 4 segment. Here you can create web or app segment using Google Analytics audience builder, right? Plus we have other segments also: customer list, lead form segment, app users, website visitors, right? So let's say we'll select YouTube users for now and click on continue. Okay, now you define your audience name: Fleetwood YouTube users. Fleetwood YouTube users. This is one. Select your YouTube channel name here. I see yes. Fleetwood over here. Okay. Actions you have to say. Okay, now you need to add segment name, YouTube channel, add segment name, add YouTube channel, add actions here. See, I'm giving you multiple examples. View any video in past 30 days. Here you have options. Okay, past 30 days. So, like any video, I'll say view any video in past 30 days. Actions, view any video in past 30 days. And then click on continue. You have successfully created a YouTube user segment. Okay, so here it is. This is one example. Then click on done. So here we have, right? Okay, so YouTube user segment we have, correct? Now what we will do is audience signals. What are the other options available? Let's try to explore that. Okay, so let's go down over here. Additional, click on additional signals here. Click on additional signals. I hope this is pretty easy to understand, guys. Okay, so here it is. additional signals, we are going to do that. Okay, I go back here, additional signals here. Okay, so in additional signals you'll find different options, interest and detailed demographics, or you can also find demographics also. Okay, in additional signals you will find interest and detailed demographics or demographics. Okay, now click on interest and detailed demographics or all demographics recommended, right? So let's do this first here. Now here we will add in market segments in interest and detailed demographics. Add in market segments in interest and detailed demographics. Okay, let's do that over here. So now go back to ChatGPT. Okay, write a prompt, tell me who are the target customers for Fleetwood delivery software. So here you have to do market research. See, you will do your market research here, right? Okay, so who can buy your product? Correct. So let's take first is logistic companies. So go back to over here, logistics companies. Okay, so let's select all the options here. Logistics services, freight services, 3PL information, road haul services, warehouse and distribution services over here. Okay, then who are the next customers here? Say it could be retail chains, okay, or it is say delivery services. Okay, so go back here, enter here as delivery services. So parcel tracking, package tracking website, domestic and international shipping services, international shipping rates, DHL shipping. Okay, so then scroll down over here and we are done with this. Then click on next. We have added the information. Now click on next. Next, added. So now define your budget. So you have to select the recommended budget. Define your budget, which is recommended. Okay, so this is average daily budget, right? So this is the daily budget here. Okay, then click on next. And friends, now you could see that we are going to publish the campaign here, right? Then click on publish campaign here. Click on publish campaign. Okay, there it is, publish campaign, and this is publishing over here. And yes, we have successfully done this. Now the ads are under review. It will get published within say an hour or so. Alright, and so here you could see now you need to add money in your account here. So the campaign is successfully published. So definitely this is definitely done. So now you have to make the payments here. Okay, so now where you will make the payments, go to tools and settings, click on billing, open summary, open link in new tab here. Here it is. Okay, so here it is. Here you will get all the billing information. Okay, so here it is. Now I open here. Okay, so from here you can actually see all the payments here. Okay, so definitely from this section you can just get the invoice, do the billings, summary tabs, payment profiles, account budgets. Okay, so from here, from these options you can make the payments to Google Ads, and definitely we are good to go with this. Let's say you add your billing setup, you don't have any billing setup, click on plus billing setup, close. Okay, you cannot create here because it is already created, right? Okay, so let's do this once again. Invoices overview, payment profiles. Okay, so now what we will do here is, okay, we will select your account here first. Let's do this. Okay, see, here it is. I'll show you some information over here how you can get the payment profiles here. Okay, now if I'm in my campaigns tab, right, you have to go back to a campaigns tab here. See, now you click on summary over here. Okay, so here you could see available funds 19 rupees, right? So then you have to click here on add funds, make payments, and then your campaign will go live. Okay, so I hope this is pretty easy to understand. And friends, with this I end my today's session. In case you have any doubts, any comments, please ask me in the session, and I request all of you that you please do the practicals so that this will help you to achieve perfection. Okay, thank you so much for your valuable time. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.